Alright guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can create a curve for your text or any wordmark logo that you want to make. First of all, let's create our font. As usual, create your new document. I normally use 1500. Okay, and then select our font. You can open this character up. For let's say you go press Command T, so it will pop up, and I will choose Pacifico regular for this tutorial. Alright, then click here, and then let's say you wanted to use, let's type smiley. Okay. So how do we curve this font? It's super simple. We select everything with the selection tool, and then go to effect, and then go to warp, and then click arc. Once you will go to arc, so there you have our bend tool, the arc, horizontal, vertical, everything is here. You can use all the types here. Fish eye, you get this fish eye effect, but we'll use arc for this tutorial to curve the text font. Okay, I'm gonna go minus 46% bend. Okay, so now you have the smiley. Oh, and then normally I would select this and then go to object, expand appearance, so you will have this outline for the text, and that's it. And let's go to pen tool. I'm gonna create a let's say a smiley or what, maybe around this area, and then switch it to stroke, add a stroke, say 30. Then okay, to do this, okay, let's say I undo it. Let's make this end smaller. You press shift W, and then let's change the shape. Yep, just like that. There you have it, our end results. It's pretty simple and easy. It's super easy to do the warp text thing. Now I'm gonna add my colors. I'm gonna expand this outline as well, so you can fill in the colors. So let's go for maybe yellow. Our smiley wordmark. Alright, so that's all for the tutorial. I hope you enjoy. Feel free to subscribe because it's free, and for more updates coming soon. Thanks guys.